training, guys. I have training for you guys. Yes. You know your boy Demarcus Duhart gonna come with the real. I'm out here just trying to help people. The importance of saving early for retirement. Saving early for retirement is crucial. It's crucial for achieving financial independence. It allows individuals to enjoy life without constraints of a traditional work schedule. I don't want to be working crazy when I'm old. When I'm 70, 80, bro, I'm not trying to be doing that. I'm trying to be in Cabo. I want to be in Mexico. I want to be in Mexico City. I want to be in Poland. I want to be in Germany. Kicking it, bro. I want to be having fun when I'm an old man. I don't know about you guys. You let me know in the comment what you want to be doing when you get old. So that's why this is important. Early retirement can provide the opportunity to pursue passions, travels, and spend quality time with family. Starting early with savings can lead to a more comfortable and fulfilling retirement, guys. Yes, assessing your financial situation. You got to understand. Understanding your current financial situation is the first step to planning your early retirement. Evaluate your income, see what you're making, put some money. Maybe you got a job that got a 401k. Do not take your 401k out. I know somebody who took their 401k out, and then that was a grave mistake. They can't even make up the money that they lost. So if you got a job that got a 401k, or you can get a Roth IRA, then I'll make videos explaining this. Evaluate your income, expenses, debts, assets, and assessments that help you identify how much you can realistically expect to put in. You can put in $50 a month, $10 a month. You spend $10 on Netflix. Netflix then went up. Knowing your net worth and cash flow will provide a clear picture for your financial health. Guys, it's important. Setting financial goals for early retirement. Guys, you got to realize everybody's retirement is going to be different. Sue's retirement is going to be different from Sally's. Rick's retirement is going to be different from Demarcus's. So define your retirement vision and then calculate your retirement needs. So everybody's going to be different, guys. You got to realize that. Establish specific goals for your early retirement, such as the age you want to retire and the lifestyles you want to maintain. Consider the factors like travel, hobbies, and living arrangements. Very important. Setting clear goals will provide motivation in the directions towards your savings plan. Calculate your retirement needs. Estimate the total amount of money you really need for your retirement years. It's very important. This includes living expenses, healthcare, and other anticipated costs. Understanding your financial needs will help you determine how much you need to save. So important, guys. Creating a budget. I know I've been saying I'm gonna get this budget video for you guys. I still am. So developing a budget is essential for tracking your income and expenses. Identify the areas where you can cut costs, such as dining out, subscriptions, and unnecessary purchases. You know they get y'all guys with these subscriptions. They get me with the subscriptions, guys. Implementing a frugal lifestyle can significantly boost your savings for early retirement, guys. Very important. So developing an early retirement savings plan, and it ain't got to be early, but it's a savings plan and it's a retirement plan regardless that you can do. You don't have to just sit there and do an early retirement savings plan, but you want to create a structured savings plan that outlines how much you have to save each month. It's so important. Consider using a percentage of your income or setting a specific dollar amount. Consistency is key. It is key. Choosing the right retirement accounts. I was just talking about this. Selecting the appropriate retirement accounts can maximize your savings potential. Consider options like the 401k, IRAs, and the Roth IRAs. Since I'm unemployed and I am an entrepreneur, I'm not employed by an actual company. I run my own companies. So I am the owner of my own company. So I go with a Roth IRA, which IRA stands for Individual Retirement Account. So it's basically like a 401k for entrepreneurs. So each account has different tax implications and benefits. So you should choose the ones that really align with your financial goals, guys. Maximizing your employer sponsored retirement plan. My cousin, he has like a 50% match where whatever he makes whatever he's putting in for his retirement account, they match it. Like I think he's putting like $200, or he's putting a certain amount and they're matching it. I wish I had that. That is great, man. So take advantage of that. Employer sponsored retirement plans, especially if they offer matching, contributing enough to receive the maximum match, is essentially free money that they're going to give you that can significantly enhance your retirement savings. My cousin he's really getting it. Exploring additional retirement savings options, so important. In addition to the traditional retirement accounts, explore other savings options such as health savings accounts, which are called HSAs, and a taxable investment account. You gotta have a taxable investment account. Check my video up right there on how to start an investment account. Yes, it's gonna be taxable, but it's still gonna compound. Compound interest is everything. These can provide additional avenues for growth and flexibility for your retirement strategy. Making the most out of compound interest. Understanding compound interest is crucial for growing your savings over time. The magical word is compound interest. The earlier you start saving, the more money you can grow exponentially. Listen, the earlier you start saving, the more money you can grow exponentially. Let me say it one more time. The earlier you start saving, the more your money can grow exponentially. Regular contributions to your retirement accounts will benefit from compounding, leading to substantial growth by retirement, guys. Yes, always monitor and adjust your savings plan. So basically, you just got to keep reviewing your savings plan. Make sure you're not going off track. Adjust if you need to. If you need to move, if you got a different job, just adjust. Don't sit there and if you lose your job and you just don't know how to, get back to where you was, you got to start back, man. Don't get thrown off too far. Seek professional advice. Consider consulting with a financial advisor. I'm not a financial advisor, but I do know a lot, and I had a couple different financial advisors. I got a CPA. I've been having a business for 5+ years, actually longer if you count my landscaping company that I had for 4 years, plus the trucking company I have been having for the last 5 years. So pretty much 9 years of advice. So consult with a financial advisor to gain expert insights into your retirement savings strategy. A professional can help tailor a plan to your unique situation, ensuring that you make informed decisions regarding investments. Now, you have financial advisors. Some are called financial brokers. Then you got one called a fiduciary. A fiduciary, which I'll make a video about, is a guy. That's really the ones you want to get. So if you're looking for a financial advisor, say, I want a financial fiduciary. They might cost a little bit more, but fiduciaries are there for your best interest. Financial brokers or financial advisors, nah, they're really looking out for their sales. So say, I want a financial fiduciary. Yes, stay committed to your early retirement savings journey. Maintaining discipline and focus on your savings goal is essential. Celebrate small milestones. Don't go crazy because you got $10,000 in your account. You want to go blow a bag. No, don't do that. Along with staying motivated, remember that the journey of early retirement requires persistence, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Yes, guys. In conclusion, saving for early retirement is a multifaceted process that requires careful planning and commitment. By assessing your financial situation, setting clear goals, creating a budget, and utilizing the right retirement accounts, you can build a solid foundation for a financially secure retirement. Stay dedicated to your savings and seek professional advice when needed to ensure that you're on track.